This is the shape up that majority of barbers can't do, and I'm going to show you how to do it with one simple tip. So watch. So this is his hairline originally. I'm just going to start off as usual, doing the sideline, starting off from the bottom and going up in a straight line. Now this is the key part right here. I'm going to take back the front line and go straight across to meet the sideline. That is the key. Taking back that front line ever so slightly so you can cut straight across. Many people get that wrong and they do an over curved shape up and they cut too deep into the weaker areas on the side. But if you cut across from the front of the hairline and meet the sideline, you'll see that the side weaker parts will stand out more, and then after it I'm going to go over it by cutting the middle part down a little bit lower to balance it all out and make it look all one level and more even, which I'm doing right now. So with the number one reverse going against the grain, I'm just cutting it down so that it's not as heavy and so that it balances out with the weaker parts on the edges. Doing this will help you and help the hairline look cleaner afterwards, but make sure you don't leave it there. After I boil it down, you're going to see me right now go over the shape up again. So I will comb it out and cut over it again to make that line look clean, because I think it's imperative to understand that this will look best if the hairline is cut clean. So I've combed it out and now I'm going over what I did before, doing the side line and now with the front line, cutting across in a straight line to meet the sideline. You'll start seeing that the weaker parts on the side start standing out a lot more and looking a lot stronger when they've got a clean line. And this is the importance of the shape up, making sure that they got a clean line, because if the line is clean, the weaker parts don't stand out as much. So cut the front line back a little bit, go across in a straight line to meet the sideline, and this is how you'll get this line looking clean, sharp, straight, and not having to have a oblong or shape like that. This is the final product. Let me know what you think. You've been in a cut with Slidercuts.